Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. Welcome. This is my 18-inch round canvas that's black and been painted and is dry. This is a little dish and a couple of balloons. I am going to put a base layer of Mother of Pearl Prism Pour from Colour Arte in the bottom of my dish, along with some Frostbite, another Prism Pour, some Frosted Berry, another Prism Pour. I'm not sure how much is too much. This is Waterlily, a new Prism Pour. It's an ultra metallic. I'm hoping it's open. It looks a little suspect. So quick like a bunny, I will take what's in the tip out and get on with it. This is a wonderful color. I love this color. Then I have some black iris. I'm going to use a little bit of periwinkle too. Both. The periwinkle is a vivid intense, the black iris is a prism pour. And I guess I'm going to sneak in a little bit of plum blossom, which is a primary element. And then, usually I would put a layer of paint down on the canvas, but at this point, I think I just want to add clouds. So maybe first, before I do anything else, I'll use my Primary Elements Golden Maple. Put my little moon in there. No cat hairs allowed. Just start the moon. See if I can find a handy skewer with a point on it or something similar. Now I'm not sure how any of this is going to work, but I'm more than willing to try. A nice round shape on the back side. No chips, no specks, doesn't matter. Alright, so now I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to dip it right into some of the paint and I'm going to roll it. I'm going to keep taking a variety of colors. These would be my night. Alright, I'll be done when I'm done. I don't think using up all my paint is a bad thing. I ought to just fast forward through the talking. I'm kind of feeling the rhythm of my design, like I have some kind of vague idea where I might want more clouds. And it's not like I can't add more, but that's not my plan for right now, so I'll be back in a second with the second half. Secret words you've been waiting for are at the break of day. So this is dry, and the next day, very dry, and I'm going to use some Amsterdam Black with Floetrol and GAC 800 in it in some puddles, and I might even wind up tipping some. So that's basically a conveyance, and I'm going to add some Prizm pour, excuse my head, some Fandango Prizm pour. I've got a bunch of colors saved out. I don't know if I'll use them all. This is Black Iris, another Prizm pour. I want a little deep amethyst. I've been trying to drain a bottle of some, that was a Prizm pour too. This is green tea, which I love, which is a primary element. It's every chance I might put some more paint down. This is Periwinkle. This is a Vivid Intense. I've got a brand new Prizm pour called Waterlily. That's absolutely fantastic. I love this color. I might have to put a little more. Well, I've got some Wintergreen coming up. So this is an ultra metallic. Here's the Wintergreen I was talking about, which is a much brighter version of the green tea, basically. I have mixed a new Vivid Teal. And I wasn't sure I was going to use any Sea Monster, but I think I'm going to. I can see my paint moving toward the sky, and I don't know that I want it to. This is Indigo Violet. I definitely wanted some Golden Maple, which is a primary element. I want to tip that canvas up, just so it runs down. This is the Golden Maple. And I'm going to risk a little triple sec. Golden Maple is a primary element. Triple sec is a Prizm pour, I believe. And then I'm going to grab my large spatula, some cell activator, make sure my gold is open. I have a combination of Australian Floetrol with Tillier Rich Gold and Pebeo Iridescent Gold. And I'm going to go from the left side, I believe. I wanted to use all of my extra paint, put it right back on the canvas. So that's pretty cool so far, so good. Let's get rid of the rest of that. Usually I'll use an edge catcher when the canvases aren't round. Okay, let's make sure I'm going to go, yep, same side. If I have any paint left, I'm going to try and put it in the gap at the bottom, but I'm also willing to make a little bit of a mess since I was saying I don't have the option to use an edge catcher right now. That's my 5-minute warning. And I am just about done anyway. I've got clouds at the horizon. I think I'm all set. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Catalyst spatula before I torch. I'm going to use the rest of my paint on my spatula around the edges after you're gone. But right now, I'm going to tip. Right now, I'm going to tip down whether I like it or not. No, I've got a dish. Those colors are fantastic. And after I tip down for a second, I'll probably tip back up again. I like the ravine. It's pretty cool. And if I want to change anything, I can always rescue whatever paint I dump off into my dish. I want to tell you guys, come again. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. And I'm glad you're here. I have 31 playlists with 100 videos, and I have everything organized by topic and genre. So if you ever like something, please, by all means, let me know. I am going to blow that down. And see if I've got anything I want to put up along that edge right on my spatula. Use whatever paint I've got extra. But I really have to go. So I can't take too long. And anything you see in the eventual picture, I might add some trees, but I don't have time to do it right now. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you. That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. I'm not sure about that one little green spot or that, but they kind of change my mind after they dry. So that's beautiful and shimmery. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Don't forget there are 15 affiliates, 15 channel prizes, $50 value of Prizm pours, a $400 grand prize. For if you connect all the secret words, the details will be under the video. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.